We're gonna paint some grumpy monsters. Last year we did these guys in pastel colors. A few years back we did some that were two-toned. And the original grumpy monsters from 2019 didn't even take up the whole rock. So these guys have been around forever. They're so quick and easy to do, and the kids really like these ones. They think they're really fun. So first thing you're gonna do is put your monster head onto your rock, no matter how big or small you want it to be. Now, if you need a second coat, use a second coat. I'm just showing up close here. When I do a second coat, I kind of use the side of the pen. I don't drag into the tip. Make sure your paint is flowing really well so it's laying on top. Try to only touch each section one time. Once that's dried completely, it's time to add on our eyeballs. Now you can do 1, you can do 4, you can do 3. You'll see we did so many combinations. Now using an extra fine tip, now this is the back side of these dual tips, we're going to create our jawline. So I always have my face slightly frowning. That gives it that grumpy look. And we're using a very sketchy line to go all the way around the outside as well. Now we're adding on our teeth with our extra fine tip side of our white. You can make the teeth go up. You can make the teeth go down. It's just, there's so many combinations for these little guys. So we're going to line our teeth, add pupils, outline our eyes, and then we're going to come in and do our eyebrows. Now to get off that grumpy look, we're going to have our eyebrows always slanting towards the middle of the rock. So if you have 3, you can do a unibrow flat line in the middle, or you can see how I did on this one eyeball rock, a little V-shaped eyebrow. My daughter came up with that idea, and they just turn out so cute. I hope you give these ones a try.